Despite recent attacks on rap music and hip-hop culture from the conservative right, people from all over are gathering in New York City for a 3-day celebration of love, peace, and hip-hop. Hey, yo, Just, what's up?
I don't hear no music, Trey.
Various activities are planned throughout the event, culminating in a performance by one of rap's best love artists, Naughty by Nature.
I want everybody to get up off your seat and get your arms together and your hands together and give me some of that old soul. Clap your hands to the beat. Come on, just
coming out the alleyways of Ill-Town. Producer extraordinaire KG. Followed by the Backbone, then Rock. And the last to fall into this planet, me.
Falling to the earth with a burst first for ya. Clapping your hands, now we must say a rock for sure. But I am still thirsty, oh mercy, it's worthy. Conversely, oh curse me, it's Jersey. Slapping through the skins, now a trench backing in. Brought it in Broad Street, back by Mac 10s. No lights, skip the cameras, we hold action in. It's Naughty planning the orgy, already back again. Case tracking this, so clicks clap to this as we rap to this. Hoochies pop their coochies, then slap their hips. Even when in Texas, with no gear trooping. That's when I find the baddest girls in Houston boosting. Break down, feel the party. Put your hands together, everybody. All the ladies in the house, I call the honeys first. Cause it's pure and you're sure to get your money's worth. So just clap your hands this evening. Come on, y'all. Say it's alright. Clap your hands this evening. Come on. Say it's alright. Clap your hands this evening. Come on, y'all. Say it's alright. Clap your hands this evening. Come on. Say it's alright.
people on the left. Two of my people on the right. Two of my people up top. And in the front, you stop.
And to those other MCs, Naughty by Nature form please. We just took the time to form 3 companies. Now the whole industry awaits the new recital. I'll take your favorite idol, I'll crumple up their title in their face. Cause I'm fed up with that same old crap. Like a developing your crew, that's why your stage so dry. So let the sleeping and assuming and the BS stop. Because Naughty is to live and die for hip hop. And I'm Vin Rock, I'm holding down the fort around my block. I brain in this game, jacking other people's props. Many crews only stress me. Petty fools try to test me. Very few impress me, bless me. I sneeze upon the whack. No one but us can do it like that. To me, the rest considered scrap. Fact, Naughty niggas will never be defeated. Come and try, word to God, word to life. I put that on a double line. This evening, come on, y'all. Say it's alright. Clap your hands this evening. Come on. Say it's alright. According to the calculation from the slums is in. Hey, K makes tracks all funky like raw chillers. Styles are splitting, think I'm kidding with the listen. Clap long and steady, tell your palms sore sweaty. Start cutting more than petty confetti. Right after I said Baba to Alibaba, the Punani Papa's machete. Hope you're ready. But if you're not, guard your knock real nose. Opposed to blows, that's all. The same spot still chill. I rock real and raw like a brawl's a small fight. Shorty taking tall mics, so practice saying alright. Alright, the party tight. Pass the ball in the back and towards the front, cause the wall won't fall. I might make moves in motion. Start a cramp commotion. Make kitties and titties in the city glow like lotion. Remember, freestyles were freebies. Systems still sound like TVs. I ain't tracks, lead them Wheaties. I'm greedy. Can't see me with pop folks. I fly the fly folks with high hopes. Watch my smoke, now I choke. Fly stroke, get by note, now Negro. You were dead ass wrong, head too strong, now here's your zero. We can get deep like way down. High lobster, seaweed, sand, some ships and missing monsters, hip hoppers. No hard to hold, guess who's back again? That Naughty Click Clan to make you clap your hands.